You ready to do your spins today? Did that one break?
Try to find one that has the seam so that I can shove my nail into it.
Yeah.
And pry it apart.
You don't need the whole pistache.
Okay. How many spins can we do today? You think we can do 10? Can we try? I don't fall.
Oh.
Okay. One,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One more. 10. Good job.
What a guy.
I paused a few times so it felt like you lost dizzy.
So you wouldn't get so dizzy. A well-earned pistache.
Best pistache. Yeah.
Yeah.